welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can convert your text to speech, otherwise known as TTS. Without wasting much of the time, I would like to show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your laptop, go to the search bar and search OneNote. So as you can see, OneNote for Windows 10. So usually 8 for Windows 10. For those of you that doesn't have Windows 10, you can have access to OneNote through your Microsoft Store. Without wasting your time, you can say I've already opened OneNote here. So I'll just go to OneNote. I'll just go ahead and delete this. So as you can see, on the bottom left, you can see the add section and add page. So you can say I've already added this section and page. So without wasting time, we just simply paste the text that I copied. Sorry. So what I'm going to do is to go to Google, look for a random text. So I'll just copy this text. I'll go back to OneNote and I'll simply paste this text. So the next question is, how do you convert this text to speech? If you look at the right top corner, you can see Home, Insert, Draw, and View. So you just click on View. So below the view, you can see a massive reader. I'll just go ahead and click on the massive reader. So while I'm waiting, so okay. Right now, you could see the play button and also you could see the voice setting. So just go ahead and click the voice setting. So it's on the male voice, but in this case, I want it to be the female. You can also see the voice speed. So you can increase the voice speed or you can reduce it. So it depends on you. But in my own case, I want it to, to be a bit slower. So I just go ahead and play.
If you're visiting this page, you're likely here because you're searching for a random sentence.
Opposite. Then I will go for the male voice.
Sentence. Sometimes a random word just isn't enough, and that is where the random sentence generator comes into play. By inputting the desired number, you can make a list of as many random sentences as you want or need.
So guys, that's how you can convert your text to speech. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how you can record this converted text so that you can use it in your video or as voice cover for your videos. In this video, I will show you how you can record your converted text. So without wasting the time, I'll just get started. So how do you do this? The first thing you're going to do is to go to your sound settings. In the sound settings, so if you click on your output sound, you can say you have no other selection. So what you're going to do here is for you to go to the manage sound device. So I'm clicking on the manage sound device. You can see different um, microphone I have. So in this case, I'm going to select on stereo mix. I'm going to enable it. So I'll go back, then I'll go to input and select stereo mix. So after finishing this, I'll go back to I'll just simply close this. Then I'll go to search and search for voice recorder. I'll click on voice recorder. So simply delete this. So what I'm going to do is just to click on voice recorder and I'll simply go to immersive reader. I'll click on play.
If you're visiting this page, you're likely here because you're searching for a random sentence. Sometimes a random word just isn't enough, And that is where the random sentence generator comes into play. By inputting the desired number, you can make a list of as many random sentences as you want or need.
Then I'll go to voice recorder and I'll pause it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to check whether it worked. So I'll play. So it's taking much time.
If you're visiting this page, you're likely here because you're searching for a random sentence. Sometimes a random word just isn't enough. And that is where the random sentence generator comes.
So you can as well trim it. So you just go to trim here. You click on the trim. So for me to reduce, so I can just trim it, maybe to somewhere like, and then I'll just go ahead and save it. So at first I can simply update the to, and then I'll play. It still doesn't give me the result that I want. I'll still continue to trim it and update original.
If you're visiting this page, you're.
That looks good. So what I'm going to do is to save it. Save a copy. So it will automatically save in your laptop.
If you're visiting this page, you're likely here because you're searching for a random sentence.
So guys, that's how you can record your text converter voice so that you can use it on your YouTube. I also like to introduce you to another software that won't waste much of your time and it will still give you the same result. So this software is called Balabolka. So how do you get access to this? Just go to your Google, you search Balabolka. Don't worry because I will leave the link below where you can easily download. So just go to the website and then you click on download. But I will not download because I have it already in my system. So I will just simply click on Balaboka. So one thing I want you guys to understand is that in this Balaboka, it's quite easy to use. So you won't have to do much in order for you to get the same result. Sorry, so I'll have to open it again. So I'm gonna wait for it to load. So once you open it, this is the interface that you're going to have. So you can just go ahead, and browse through it. So the first thing you're going to do, you can select which of the services that you want. English, United States. You have English, United States. So you have Microsoft David desktop. So it depends on you. So just go ahead and choose that one. So in this particular software, you just go ahead and paste your text that you want to convert. So in this case, I have pasted the text, and you go to file, you go to save audio file, and then you can give it any name that you want. So in this case, I'll call it TTS1. Save it. So I'll go to my desktop. You can see TTS1. I'll play it.
If you're visiting this page, you're likely here because you're searching for a random sentence. Sometimes a random word just.
So aside from that, I'll also show you how you can have access to different services. For example, if you want to have access to German, to UK accents, and other countries accents. So how do you do that? So you just go to the top section, you go to tools, you go to use online TTS service. You click on that, and then you paste your text that you want to convert. So you go ahead and give it a title or give it a name. So in this case, I'll call it TTS2. So, and also there are different services you could see: Google One, Google Two, Google Cloud, Amazon Poly, Baidu, IBM Watson, which is the one I usually use. And then you just browse through and select which one you want. So I'll just go for Korean Siwo. So after selecting all that, I'll just simply click on save. So it's going to process. It will take a little while for that to finish. Yeah, as you can see, it's here on the desktop. So we'll just simply click it.
If you are visiting this page, you are likely here because you are searching for a random sentence. Sometimes a random word just isn't enough,
So
and that is
this
where the random
this gives us a Korean accent. So guys, that's how you can convert your text to speech, and also you can record it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the notification button. Thanks.